Before we dive into this manifestation, CHINEKE, Orie, Afọ, Nkwọ, ndị ọkpụ na ndị agede, ndị ichie, Igbo, oge aka, ogachi, ogazi, oge anwụ. Ya gazie n'ọfọ ise. Introduction to the Igbo Kabbalah. Kwu-Ba-Ala. Kwubala was designed by Sirius-Ugo to help modern Igbo and those that love Igbo Cosmology to understand the essence of CHINEKE. What CHINEKE is, the various aspects of CHINEKE, how a man or woman can channel CHINEKE on earth, and how CHINEKE reflects the various planets of the universe of light. The word KABBALA or QUBBALA means tradition. The word derives from the Igbo term for restored tradition, which is Kwu-Ba-Ala. It is a sacred science that the ancient Jews borrowed from Babylon, ancient Babylon, which is Babel. Babel is Ba-Be-Ele. Enter the gates of God. Become God. Be in tune with God. What you are looking at is Earth, Moon, Venus, Mercury, Sun, Jupiter, Mars, Pluto, Saturn, Uranus, and the core of the cosmos. CHINEKE is the architect, the creator, the omniscience. CHINEKE is androgynous because everything in nature has its own individual chi. Now, androgynous not in the Western sense of the word, but in the sense of man and a woman together. When the phallus goes inside the sacred vagina, they become one. Androgynous, CHINEKE. The man is the life force and the woman is the creator. There is Chi Wanyi and there is Chinwoke. Every species in nature is male and female, either male or female, and they both have their individual chi. Woke bo, oko, eke. A man is a creator. Look around you. Almost everything that we use to make life easier for us was created by a man that knew how to work with nature. Wanyi bo eke oma. Woman is a divine creator. Look around you. Everything you see was created in the mother's sacred womb. Whether man or woman, a chi will always need Eke to create. Even the Bible God needed Eke to create. Genesis 1:26-28. Come, let us make man in our own image, after our likeness. Who is the us? The Bible God was calling on his wife. There is no possible way that a chi can create without Eke. When it comes to natural creation, we link chi to man as a life force and Eke to woman as the initiator and the creator of life. And together as an androgynous infinite force, they are CHINEKE. Every chi demands expression. Onyekwe, Chiekwe. In this realm, you and your chi are one and the same. And one way to express your chi is to become onye okike, a creative person, which is CHINEKE. What are you good at? You become the architect of your life and the architect of your destiny by being onye okike. Thus, the crown of life is CHINEKE. The essential secret of happiness is to be a creative person. What you are looking at is the Obichi, human spiritual realm of the Igbo Kabbalah that I created based on Atuche that came to me from Bechuku and NNEATU, the realm of the Divine Father, the Divine Mother. Ndushi wanted you to discover the mysteries. They want us to elevate African intelligence. They don't want us to be sharing slave pictures taken by Oyibo or watching slave movies and shouting, Chime Buemo. We're no longer in Ogazi, age of ignorance. Your chi cannot kill you. Chi is deathless. Ndushi want us to discover the fact that everything Oyibo used to better themselves was created by Ndushi. Ndushi want us to create a rebirth of Ufochi, an Afrofuturism, an Ogaum, age of enlightenment. And that's what I am doing. This is how I express my chi, by helping others discover the mysteries of Ndushi, our ancestors. No, Nambo. No. The father of the abyss. No. The mother who was at the beginning of time. No. Is the mother. The mother who was at the very beginning of time. All creations. The first mother. The ancient Kush Kemet mystery began with Nenu, noon, that is, Nonu, Nonu, noon. That's what the Western archaeologists recorded as noon, is a Nono, a Nonu, the watery abyss of Nonu. The sun, Sirius, Ra, Ptah, Atum, rose from her womb. That is the beginning of enlightenment. Ofufochi. When you are at Nono, you need to be bettered. Makana ibo nwata nọ n'afọ nne. Eze ebu n'afọ. Nono is the gate that opens for Ofufochi to take place. And we are all Chi, and we gain enlightenment by walking through the gates of Nono. That is both the sacred vagina and the phallus. The sperm inside the sacred womb. That is the watery abyss. Ala and Nono are twin sisters, but Ala represents foundation, the foundation of all creation. Ala is our stomach, Afo. As Nono opens the gates of heaven, Allah is the one that created us as NNEATU, the mother creator of all lives. Every chi that was bettered by Allah has Agu. Agu is the science of enlightenment, the initiator of the mysteries of Ndushi. When you are at Agu, you are Onyo Odenani, and the consort of Agu is Uto, and she is the balance of the energy you receive from Agu. Neuto, the mother of growth, sweet mother, she leads us to Oma, which is our soul, Obioma. From the infinite consciousness of our soul, we gain morality, and Oma leads us to the judgment of our current state of being, introduce us to Ikenga. When we gain the willpower of success, it is Ikenga that enlightens us of the fact that we really have a lot of power and we can achieve incredible things by being persistent. We can do this without hurting anyone. This is where the principle of Udo comes in. There are three major stages of Ikenga. Ikenga Nwonye, Ikenga Odumije, Ikenga Ogaranya. It is the success that we gain that unveils the peacefulness in us, which is Udo. We balance our hard work with Udo, which is a state of beingness, a state of love, kindness, and compassion. Aronamu Ikenga, Irienando, as Udo. So we balance our hard work with a state of beingness, which is Udo. Now, IGBUDU represents the deepest thoughts. IGBUDU is not connected to Ikenga nor Udo, but somehow connected to CHINEKE, thus IGBUDU. The realm of the mystical dark one is a representation of the consciousness of the left behind. IGBUDU is Igbo, Idu, the realm of the mystical dark one. It is the knowledge of CHINEKE, the hidden knowledge. Sometimes when we are at IGBUDU, the dark energy, we feel like we are separated from CHINEKE or from the works of CHINEKE, which we don't really know that we are very close to the magnum opus. Don't tell anyone that I told you this, but IGBUDU is where CHINEKE stores all his or her secrets. IGBUDU draws everything down into the abyss, as it is also a path to degeneracy, but also plays a major role in our lives as a gate, which is the deepest thoughts, the deepest mysteries. Ndushi were masters of IGBUDU, meaning that they were masters of dark matter and dark energy. So from Udo, we transcend up to NNEATU, the mother of cosmic thoughts, Natura. Oh, from her we're so close to our godliness, and we balance her with Allah, and that is the consciousness of the truth of the matter, is that everything is Allah, infinite, Natu, understanding. Natu represents our wisdom, and Allah represents our honest understanding, overstanding, and innerstanding. And through the gates of Allah, Babel, we become CHINEKE, the architect of our life, the creator, the magician. From left to right, what you are looking at is positive and negative, up and down, Inunana. The center is a combination of the duality. The duality is Jinede, hard and soft, thoughts and benefits, understanding and wisdom, knowledge and growth, Ako na Uche, Ako na Uba, Chi na Eke, the life force and the creator. This is how CHINEKE works. This is how you should work. Everyone is a life force that needs to create. Eke, Okpu na Egede, Udo na Igbo. Osisi nke ndụ ndị Igbo, Igbo tree of life. Kingdom, Alaeze, Nono. Foundation, Ntọala, Allah. So, kingdom, Alaeze, is represented by the Igbo Queen of the Sea, Nono, the mother who was at the very beginning of time. And foundation, Ntọala, is represented by the Igbo mother goddess, Allah. Nono and Allah are twin sisters. Dignity, Ebube, Agwu, is represented by Ordinala. Victory, Mmeri, Uto, Omenala. So, Ordinala creates the victory known as Omenala. So, the light within our mind is the creator of our growth. Purity, Ocha, Oma, Nsala, and Iwuala. Oma holds the principles of the Sacred Mother, the purity. So Oma holds the principles of what our soul is supposed to be. We're not supposed to be wicked. The wicked does not go unpunished. So Oma, the Igbo Mother Goddess, Oma, whom is also Allah, and Nono, that is representing the purity, Obiocha, Obioma, purification of our soul. IGBUDU is representing our deep thought, deep knowledge, amamihe omimi. That's what IGBUDU represents, deep knowledge. Power, Ikenga, represents our energy. Ikenga, the deity, represents our energy. So the principles of Ikenga gives us energy to move. And we balance Ikenga with Udo, mercy, Ebere. Udo holds the principles of beingness. The next level is understanding, Ngota. So Ele, which is God, is understanding. And we balance understanding with wisdom, Amamihe, NNEATU. So wisdom and understanding crowns us. Obueze, the crown, CHINEKE, the creator, the life force that creates, the life force that knows how to work with nature, which is what we're supposed to be. This will work if you strongly believe that numbers are from CHINEKE. Truly, numbers are divine. Numbers are very organic. They are from nature. They are from our soul. Another name for CHINEKE in Igbo astronomy is AKA-OFU, Primordial 1. The sacred number of CHINEKE is 10, 01. In this order, CHINEKE equals 1, NNEATU equals 2, Ele equals 3, IGBUDU is 0. You will not need IGBUDU. Udo is 4, Ikenga is 5, Oma equals 6, Udo equals 7, Agwu equals 8, Ala equals 9, and Nono equals 1. Makana otu ọ dị n'enu ka ọ dị n'ana. Nono and CHINEKE are 1. CHINEKE exists also below as Nono and then Nonu, the mother of the abyss and the father of the abyss. So the ordinal is A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, D equals 4, E equals 5, F equals 6, G equals 7, H equals 8, I equals 9. So you go J will be 10, K 11, L 12, M 13, N 14, O 15, P 16, Q 17, R 18, S 19, T 20, U 21, V 22, W 23, X 24, Y 25, Z 26. You will need your first name, Alpha bu Alpha. Name is divination. Our ancestors believe this. You can also try both your first name and the first name of your partner to see if you are both divine. To see if it was CHINEKE that bonded both of you together. Because CHINEKE works through numerals. Because numbers are organic, but letters are not. You add all the numbers in your first name until it reduces to a single number, following the rules of numerology. So let's use my name and the name of my partner, for example. My full first name is Ugochukwu. Ugochukwu gives us 139, which equals 4. 4 unveils that my faith in nature is Udo. The full first name of my partner is Adugo. Adugo equals 49, equals 4. 4 unveils that her faith also is Udo. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Our faith is Udo, and Agwu bonded us. Agwu is the science of enlightenment.